Hey guys, adding a promotion on LinkedIn by keeping your previous role listed and adding your new title directly under it is never been easier. So all you gotta do, hit me, the top right, press view profile. Inside, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and scroll to experience. Right? Experience here. Now, let's say you worked at Upwork and suddenly after a successful 6 months, you got a promotion. You can't remove that previous position and add a new one because that will tell the other users subconsciously or not, right, that they think that you are new and this is a whole new position. So you need to be credible with these things, right? And you can add a footnote like when did you start and when did you finish, right? This will help the future client understand that you worked at Upwork from 2019 till 2024, for example, right? In the new position, maybe the same company, resembles a promotion. You can add a title, say promoted from freelancer to this, whatever. So now hit the plus button to add a new role and enter your new job title and ensure the company name is typed exactly as it appears for your previous role. This ensures LinkedIn groups them together. And fill in your new start date and of course check the boxes like I'm currently working in this role, etc. Scroll down to edit, of course, your previous role, etc. Add skills if necessary, media, photos. That really helps boost your your trust among new people, not necessarily clients but also network if you trying to build an empire of people working in your niche or whatever. And you can afterwards hit save to apply the settings. Don't forget to add the location description, which is optional obviously, but more details the better. Location and the start date, right? This is like I say February 2020, etc. You could say I'm currently working in this role, or hit the check mark and turn off I'm not currently working in this role, right? And choose another date or your basically the day you left, right? And basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.